Many scientists believe that there have been several ice ages in the past millions of years as a result of the Earth entering a cooling period. The author of this book agrees with Michael Ord, who has written numerous articles and books about a one-time ice age that occurred after the Great Flood described in Genesis. He argues persuasively that at the end of the flood, environmental conditions resulted in an increase in snowfall, as well as cooler summers, which in turn resulted in an ice age. Furthermore, the massive snowfall resulted from very warm ocean waters, and not because of the Earth entering a cooling period. We'll make a simple model of what probably happened during a normal summer, and what might have happened during the time in which the summers were cooler. Students should begin with 2 pans of ice about 2 centimeters thick in a narrow metal pan. The sheets should be narrow enough to fit inside a covered cardboard box. Loaf pans are a good size for this ice. They should place each pan of ice in a cardboard box, but cut a hole in the top of one box, and then place a light bulb or a lamp over the hole. They should keep both boxes away from any other source of heat, and place a thermometer inside each of the boxes to measure the air temperature. The temperature is taken after 1 minute and again after 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, they will measure the melted water for each pan and record the amount in their student journal. The 2 boxes and the pans of ice are models of conditions after the flood. The box exposed to a hot lamp represents a normal summer day where the winter-fall melts. Even if all of it doesn't melt at the one time, it will be at the end of the summer. The box that is not exposed to any heat may melt a little. But like a cold summer day, most of the snow will remain at the end of the summer and will continue to build up thicker and thicker layers of snow and ice during the winter months, which is what likely happened during the Ice Age. Students should observe the picture on page 85. These people are looking for Ice Age fossils in southern Florida, where huge animals like woolly mammoths and other very large animals once lived. Many of the Arctic animals migrated south during the Ice Age because they required a huge amount of food and water to survive. The water and food supplies began to disappear as the Ice Age conditions moved further and further south. These animals eventually became extinct in the hot regions.